So I went ahead and decided to get a chainsaw 14-inch Walmart brand, Hart. It's got a 4.0 amp hour. It's a battery 40 volts, system cordless. I kinda got tired of the gas chainsaw. If you don't use it for a while, you're gonna have a hard time cranking it up. So I decided to go with this. Never heard of this brand, but there wasn't that much. I'm gonna try it and see how it works. I charged the battery yesterday. It took almost 3 hours. I picked it up yesterday from Walmart. Put it right away on charger. 6 o'clock. At 8:57, the battery was fully charged. So we're gonna see how actually this performs. Never been out of the box. It's in the box. So I'm gonna try it today and see how actually it will work. Will it do the job? I don't know. It's watch view video and it seems like it does the job pretty well. But we'll see. So first thing first, we want to make sure these two bolts are tight, the chain's tight. We got little wire ties for you. We're gonna have to cut that. Slice out. It seems like everything's tight. This is pretty tight. This is pretty tight. You can adjust it. It's time to put the oil in there and go from there. So the oil reservoir's right up here. Of course, that cam. It's actually the same brand as a chainsaw. Not that loud. Baby. Let's see how it does. Always save the glasses. And here we go. So we gotta come in the bottom. See who's leaning down. Wow. Pretty quick, this. You gotta try cut this one more time. And it's cool. A little more up here. I'll tell you what, pretty impressed. tell you what, this baby does really excellent. So far, it's cutting really going through, just boom, just like that. And I would say like probably it is maybe 9-10 inches diameter. Wow, this thing got pretty low. After making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cuts, the battery is, we have still 3 bars. They're gonna try to finish the whole thing. Cool. Awesome. I like it. Not disappointed at all. I'm just gonna find out how much the battery costs, probably get an extra battery, and go from there. 14-inch, 40 volts, 4.0 amp hour. You could have got the 6.0, which make the battery last a bit longer. But for what I need around this area, this is plenty. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope it helped.